Hello everyone, welcome back to the Avalon game project. Last time we have finished the team selection on enter hooks. This time we are going to actually handle the team proposal submitted. So the okay. Wait a second. Handle team submitted. This isn't right. So team selection state. Oh, right. Because team selection state, we only need. We're only pending for the current leader to submit a proposal of the required number of player IDs. So let's go into this method and actually implement this. So the thing is, we wanted to handle the team proposal submitted. So what is expected in the event first, because we want to do the validation. One sec. I think there's something wrong with. Okay. Let's see if I get my things back. Okay. Sorry about that. So, what are we trying to do here? So, validates the team proposal which the leader submitted, then saves the proposal, then broadcast the event. Okay. So now, what are we trying to do? First of all, we are going to get the payload. If not payload or not pay. So what is in this event? So we need to we need the player IDs. Or and player IDs. Actually, that's it. We only need the player IDs. Other than that, we are not looking for anything other than player IDs. So once we get the player IDs, we need to actually get the players. This is member ID, team member IDs. Let me change this, team member IDs. Wait, nope. Okay, so now, once we get this team member IDs, no, this is we're getting the game ID. So game ID. So now we have the players, player IDs equals to, yep. So now, no, actually, MID multiplayer IDs. So we want to validate that all the player IDs submitted is valid. So now I think we get everything. So now I think this we can add it to we can extract this to a method called validate event. We don't need the game ID because we have it actually. Okay, so now okay, we have the team member IDs. Once we get this, actually let's not use this. I think I want to get validates okay, we have this. So once we have this, we want to save this proposal. So this proposal should be with so we do have the quest number and round number. Let's also get it in the event. Okay, we have this, but before that, I think I want to what I'm trying to do. So I'm expecting the quest number and round number in the event payload. So quest number equals to got quest number round number equals to payload round number if well, neither of them could be 0, so we could just use So now, actually before this, we also would like to verify that the number of player IDs picked matches the current the expected number of players. We get that from the game config, so we have to do that. So now let's get the game equals to get game ID. Can't remember what was that called. Game config.quest team size. Quest team size equals to game.config.quest number. And as we must have members got team member IDs. Okay, so I think I have validated that. Let's add some tests. So we have test from the create round, and now we have that test handle team proposals submitted. We need, let's get a marker just for the sake of it. Round service repository, round service com service, yes. Do we have a round service? Do we have a round service? Yes, we have round service. Okay, so now we do need the none of these are true, so I think it just copy pasted the previous one, which I don't like. So we need a quest number, we need a round number, yes. We need is team member IDs equals to player ID 1 and player ID 2. I know this is a little bit short, but we also want the team the quest team size equals to quest number length of team member IDs. Okay, because we're validating the happy path here. So with quest size, now we need a game, and the game config dot quest team size equals quest team size game dot config equals the game config repository get game and return name. Okay, yes, cool. This is pretty good. Then we need the players. So perfect. Now what do we don't need anything else, I think. No, the repository to get players, yes, get players. We should have this. Cool. Now no, we're missing an event. So the event equals to, oh, at this time we need this. Do we? No, not really. So event. What are we missing? Game ID. What are we missing as type? Yep, submitted value. Nope, not these. And definitely not these. So the recipients are everyone. So we're going to make this an empty list. And then the payload, quest number, round number, and what else? Quest number, round number, and the actual team member IDs. Excuse me. Team member IDs. No. Team member IDs. Cool. So now, when the round service handle team event, we want to verify that the get players are called. Get players is called by well, first the get game. Repository.get game. So called once game ID, and get players called once with game ID as well. Cool. Now we're not even running the tests. Let's do that. Run and auto run. Yes, perfect. So once we have this, we want then verify the edge cases. So for example, submitted with invalid events. Where's the invalid event? So actually the only thing we're trying to iterate through is the not the member IDs, rather the payload. So the payload could be we could be missing quest number. So we can have we can have an empty. We can have null. We can have empty. We can missing one. Then team member IDs. Do. Okay, and then it could be quest number. Actually, I want this to be a new line so that this is more clear. Quest number, wait, 1, then again this. Now I want we have the quest number. Quest number is 3. Okay. Quest number 3, row number 4. Row number 4, quest 3. 3. Row number 4. Okay, we need a new line. We need, do we still have it? Yep. So in this, we need, so what we're having. So we're verifying if the length is the same. So let's just have a player ID 1. Then so instead of this, we wanted, we have 2, but instead of a player ID 2, we have a player ID 3. Okay. Oh, my bad. Okay, fine. Just gonna break down my JSON class. Fine. Okay. We have payload. So in this case, payload is actually going to be payload. But at this point, with the pointers, value error. Okay. So no, these we can't verify because, well, we don't know. Okay. Okay. So very good. We have validated this. We can get the team member IDs. We can get the quest number. We can get the round number. So with all these, we want to create an event. No, I actually want to put an event, but the payload is yep. Okay, so now the event equals to yeah, this is perfect actually. So now we have the event, then we want to broadcast it. Perfect. Now we want to verify that. So round number is no longer needed. Let's delete it. Quest number. Okay. So we want to verify it in here. So now we know that the repository.put event is called team proposal submitted. Team member IDs, no, recipients is still empty array. This one is correct, and we need a timestamp hack, which is this. Okay, so no, not here, but here. This. Okay, so yeah, so because we want to verify that the return event is actually being passed to broadcast. We want to verify that here the com service dot broadcast assert called once with saved event. The tests should also be passing. Very good. Cool. I think this is everything. We have nothing else to do. Yeah, okay. I think this is it. We have run tests. We have confirmed all the edge cases. Yeah, okay. Well, I think today we can have a shorter day, implement this. One thing is good enough. And by finishing this, we have officially finished implementing the team selection state. Woohoo! So now, next, we are going to move on to the round voting service, round voting state. So this one is a little bit, it's okay, looks bad, but it's actually okay because on entering the round voting state, what do? We want to broadcast that the round voting had started, and send everyone basically broadcast a notification asking everybody to cast their vote. So when coming in, every time we just want to verify that if this is the last vote of the current event, and if so, we have to, here we verify if it's the last event, the last vote of the current round. If yes, then we have to calculate all the votes and just give it a result of if we have the majority for passing this. Also, okay, so yeah, for passing this. So on exit, we not only we want to broadcast the results of everything, we also have to do a final check that if this is the 5th round. So if this is the 5th round, we want just to make the team selection quest voting. Doesn't matter actually. Well, yeah, so if it's a 5th round, we just want to update the current quest for it to be failed as per the game rule. So yeah, I think this looks bad, but we have divided all the complex logic into small enough chunks. So I think I'll stop here. Yeah, so cool. Today went pretty smoothly. Thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye.